All right, DTL album launch. We still cruise on the DTL album launch. Rough guy, Tamal Hannibal, Kokano to support. Hannibal, how do you feel to be part of this program? I'm mentioning as I'm part Rough guy program, man.
Oh, yeah, Malena, I'm happy, Pam. Though I'm not from here, but I'm so happy for my brother. You know, he's one of the guys that we all support each other.
Okay.
So, Okubolma, oh, guy. Could come now. So that love, man, I really appreciate.
Okay.
Yeah, I really love that kind of love, and I have to show him back. So
okay,
yeah, it's
wow. Okay, so what should we expect from you as such as Honey Boy?
Oh, me personal, I have a lot of projects coming, and I have also my EP coming out.
Okay.
And I just dropped a song this last month.
Okay.
Which is Raim. Locate is the title of the song.
Okay.
By Honey Boy.
Okay.
Locate.
Okay.
So, you know, I also have my plans.
Okay.
And also the team also have their plans also. So they'll be expecting more from me. Yeah.
Okay, that's Honey Boy for you on the Rough Guy DTR album launch. Kokano to support you. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you very much. God bless you.
Like it tum bergazi ambor nyem to heaven. Come on how? Wula kenye venya adanka ye tum la 247.